Before buying a car DVD player, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers complain about compatibility and battery life, but the real winners in this market address those concerns. Let's break down the top 5 options. Product number 1. Power 11.5-inch Portable DVD Player. First up is the Power 11.5-inch Portable DVD Player. Priced at $44.99, it's caught a lot of attention as a bestseller. If you want a reliable device to keep your family entertained during long drives, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the built-in 2,500 mAh rechargeable battery, which offers up to 5 hours of playback. That means your kids can watch their favorite shows without interruption, which is a lifesaver on road trips. Plus, it supports various formats, including CDs and DVDs, and even USB and SD cards for added flexibility. The 9-inch swivel screen allows for easy positioning, so whether it's mounted on a headrest or held in hand, everyone can see it clearly. Now, I do want to mention a common issue. Some users noted that the sound could be a bit lacking in volume. Here's the deal though. If you're just using it for kids' movies, it might not be a deal breaker. But if you're looking for robust audio for older teens or adults, you might want to consider headphones. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option for younger kids. Skip this one if you need something with superior sound for older passengers. For the price point, it really offers great value. Now, if you're not a fan of single-screen setups, the next option might catch your attention. Product number 2, 1E 10.5-inch dual-screen DVD players. Next, we have the 1E 10.5-inch dual-screen DVD players, priced at $125.99. This system really shines for families with multiple children. If you want to keep both kids entertained in the back seat without endless fighting, this is an option to check out. What makes this setup really appealing is that it allows for 2 different movies to be played simultaneously or the same movie across both screens. With a 5-hour rechargeable battery, you won't have to worry about running out of juice on your road trip. The 1280 by 800 pixel resolution offers a solid viewing experience, and the ability to sync with a larger TV is a nice touch for family movie nights. However, some customers pointed out that the mounting brackets could be a bit tricky to install. But honestly, once you get them set up, they hold well and make it easy for kids to watch comfortably. It's not a deal breaker, especially considering how well it keeps the peace in the back seat. This is a great choice if you have 2 kids who can't agree on a movie. Skip it if you're looking for something compact or if you travel alone often. The value here is solid for its features. If the price point for the dual screens was a bit high for you, the next one offers a great alternative. Product number 3, 1E 10.5-inch 2 DVD players. Moving on, we have another 1E product, this time the 10.5-inch 2 DVD players for $119.99. This model offers versatility for families who want to avoid squabbles in the back seat. If you want a dual-screen experience without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth considering. Exactly like its sibling, this setup allows you to play 2 different movies or the same movie across both screens. It boasts a 5-hour battery life, which is essential for those long trips. Plus, the AV Out feature means you can share the fun on a bigger screen at home, making it a great choice for movie nights. That said, some users reported that it doesn't support Blu-ray, which can be a disappointment for those expecting to play the latest releases. But let's be real, if you're primarily using it for kids' movies, you probably won't miss that feature. It's still a solid option for everyday viewing. This is perfect for you if you have kids who can't agree on what to watch. Skip this if you absolutely need Blu-ray compatibility. It's a good deal for the features you're getting. If size and clarity are critical for your viewing experience, the next player is likely to impress. Product number 4, 1E 12-inch dual-car DVD players. Next on our list is the 1E 12-inch dual-car DVD players, priced at $149.99. If you want a larger screen for better viewing, this model might be your best bet. It's designed for families who want a premium experience on the road. The 12-inch screens provide clearer and more vivid images, which can be a game changer for keeping your kids engaged. It allows for independent movie playback or the option to sync for a shared experience. The rechargeable battery lasts 5 hours, and with multiple power options, you can watch movies anywhere you go. However, some customers have mentioned that setting up the mounting brackets can take some time. But once installed, they're durable and provide stability during bumpy rides. For family road trips, this is a minor hurdle compared to the benefits you get. This is an excellent choice if you prioritize screen size and clarity. Skip it if you're looking for something more compact. For the money, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're more budget conscious but still want a dual setup, the final product might just fit the bill. Product number 5, Fawner 7.5-inch dual-card DVD player. Finally, we have the Fawner 7.5-inch dual-card DVD player, priced at $73.99. This one is all about affordability and functionality. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch, you should consider this. This portable setup includes one main player and one LCD screen, allowing for synchronized playback of the same movie. The 5-hour battery ensures your kids stay entertained, and it supports a wide range of media formats. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, which adds to its appeal. That said, some users have noted that the second screen lacks a built-in battery, which means it relies on the main player for power. This could be a hassle if you're planning to use it as a standalone device. But if you're okay with a primary player, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a simple solution for kids. Skip this if you want a standalone screen. Overall, it's a solid choice for the price. So, to wrap it up, the Power is an excellent budget option. The 1E 10.5-inch dual screen is great for family harmony. The 1E 10.5 2 DVD players are versatile for kids. The 1E 12 is perfect for big screen fans, and the Fawner offers affordability. Each has its strengths, so think about your specific needs before choosing.